I don't. Fuck. Ah, shit. I don't know how to do it. I can't even turn the fucker off. The fuck?
That was one of the better right now.
Where's the...
You shouldn't put that lens down like that, Mommy.
Well, I can't. I'm trying to turn the fucker off. Oh, shit.
Oh boy, putting the wrong kind of stuff.